Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. Subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about our new topic, that is the trends in curriculum construction. First, the modern concept of curriculum. Modern education is the combination of two dynamic processes. The one is the process of individual development, and the other is the process of socialization, which is commonly known as the adjustment with the social environment. The term curriculum has been defined by different writers in different way. According to Cunningham, curriculum is a tool in the hand of artist to mold his material according to his ideas in his studio. Frovel, curriculum should be conceived as an epitome of the rounded whole of the knowledge and experience of the human race. According to Crow and Crow, the curriculum include all the learners' experience in or outside school that are included in a program which has been devised to help him developmentally, emotionally, socially, spiritually, and morally. These are some definition of the curriculum according to some writers. Now, the modern trends in curriculum construction. What should we care about for the construction of a curriculum? The first is the digital diversity. Present age is an age of ICT technology has touched to all the wake of the human life. Technology has made various tasks easy, convenient, and of quality. To survive in the concerned field, it is necessary for everyone to have a knowledge and skill of technology. Education makes men enabled to contribute. It strengthens the capabilities. For the effective transaction of curriculum, ICT is must. Web 2.0 application must be used for effective teaching learning process. Curriculum makers should give clear guidelines regarding this. Example, Teacher Tube is a very useful source for the educational resources. All these things should be interlined with every curriculum. Second is the need-based curriculum. Researcher in all the field resulted into specialization. Need-based curriculum is the foremost need of the present education system. Many universities are developing need-based short-term program for this purpose. Third, modular curriculum with credit-based system. Modular curriculum give real freedom of learning, especially in the open learning system. His approach has been adopted at first, but now majority of traditional universities also accepting his system. This is the real emerging trend in the modern curriculum. Fourth point is the online courses. Need-based and choice-based curriculum are available online also. Government also take initiative for this, like right to information certificate course has been introduced by Government of India to the Indian peoples. This is free and online course. Next is the 21st century skills. All the curriculum of various courses should focus on 21st century skills. Skills like collaboration, critical thinking, effective communication, multitasking, stress management, empathy are must for all the personnels. Sixth topic is the international understanding. Globalization has made converted to the world into global village. We should consider world as a one family, and for this international understanding must be inculcated through curriculum. And seventh is the constructivism. Constructivist approach believe that learner should be given freedom to construct her knowledge. Spoon feeding must be avoided. If a learner is fully active in construction of knowledge, then learning process will be highly effective. In all the curriculum, constructivist strategy must be given important place. This is all about the trends in the should be adopted in the construction of a curriculum. This session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.